Hey, you all, welcome back to the channel. And guys, today I want to talk about today was the release of the monthly universal basic income tokens with the Bitcoin MYK project token coin. And I want to give an update on the situation with Bitcoin MYK. So we're on the decentralized exchange where Bitcoin MYK trades, and you can see that there have been some orders executed. I didn't expect a whole lot. A lot of the being a Bitcoin fork, there's going to be initially people still trying to claim their tokens, still trying to get them. So we still got a lot of that going on. But we did have some orders here executed. 0.33 of a wave token, bringing it up to about $1 or so per token. And What 100 million tokens briefly brought our market cap up to about 100 million, and then I think it's dropped to something about like a market cap of about 19 million. So it's going to be a lot of fluctuation. We expect that. I think our goal going forward at this point is going to deal with growing the network, and for it, getting it to be on scale with a social media network. I also think it's going to be a kind of a floor there with the cross chain function. People are going to be able to liquidate over social media blockchains, and I think that's going to limit the downward pressure on Bitcoin MYK. So we're going to have some of that going on as well. But getting from $1 to $1,000 a token, we still got a long way to go, guys. But I think it's a worthwhile cause. Trying to get a token that can be mass adopted to provide a lot of the world a basic income. It's also important to note that in dealing with Bitcoin MYK, that it is not a universal basic income token. I think there's some confusion. It's not a universal basic income. What it is it's a Bitcoin fork, which means people who hold Bitcoin, mine Bitcoin, are going to come into this token and they can claim their Bitcoin tokens. It will match the ledger at all steps of Bitcoin's ledger along the way, which means as they gain and mine more Bitcoin, they'll gain more of these tokens as well. Where the Universal Basic Income Program comes from is it comes from the unclaimed tokens, the 1% penalties against the unclaimed tokens that go back into this program to give opportunity for people who seek a basic income each month. They can cash in these tokens and various things like that. And so that's what's funding that. But for the most part, Bitcoin MYK operates like a traditional money delivery system of value, coupled with the social network that we've constructed. Money can be sent back and forth between in the form of these what you might call, or what we like to call, social media dollars, these social capital dollars. And so it's going to be interesting to see what Bitcoin MYK does in the future, how many wallets we can get. Again, for us at this point in time, it's mostly about growth in use and mass adoption. So we wanted to grow large with a lot of people finding value in this and using this token. So going to be very interesting to watch, guys. Going to be interesting to watch how it performs over the next couple of months, and how the network builds up and how we can get people aboard and moving forward on that. If you didn't receive your universal basic income tokens this month, if for some reason you didn't claim in time, you can claim for January. You can start as soon as the month starts. You can start claiming early, anytime in January, as long as you claim before the month is over, and you will receive a universal basic income token. And again, guys, like I said, there's going to be a lot of things you can do with this token. We will be opening up a marketplace where you can trade this token, you can redeem this token on our site. Um, Also, I just wanted to talk about our task workers program that people will be being paid in Bitcoin MYK. So help you understand that a little bit. It's no doubt in our minds that we're going to achieve a large amount of wallets. And that is because there is a big demand for universal basic income as well. There are probably 100 million, if not a billion people or more that seek basic universal basic income or some type of way to help them with their day-to-day living expenses as such. So they probably will definitely want to participate in this program in our social network to exchange this value amongst each other. Now, what we're doing here is we're finding a way to use the value of these people, use their skills in task working, using their skills, whether it be computer programming or whether it be some type of tutoring, maybe teaching you a form of their language. You might want to go to their region and they can tutor you. And various programs will be implemented through our website in which people can purchase Bitcoin MYK. What we'll do in that fashion then is provide a way for people who have value, who have skills, to now exchange these for Bitcoin MYK. We'll also have advertising and a marketplace. And so it's going to be many ways as we grow this network, as the value does lie in the uses and the people. That's where the real value is in these platforms. And so going to be all very interested to watch, guys. Wanted to update you on that. If you're a Bitcoin holder, you can claim your Bitcoin MYK tokens free as well. If you're a Bitcoin holder and you want to hold your Bitcoin on the Bitcoin platform, but you want to trade value at a super high speed across the network, you can do that as well with this token. So many features with Bitcoin MYK, and we'll get to see that in the upcoming months in the future. But guys, that's all I want to say. Guys, if you like content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and until next time, take care.